Welcome to a couple of bunkies.
I've been having issues with my microphone stand ever since I got it, so I decided to design and create this. I ended up using regular woodworking methods on this project, but I designed it in such a way that I could cut out the pieces with either a CNC or a laser engraver. I really hope you enjoy this design process. I start off this project in ViaCAD, making the arms. Now I design the two pieces that hold the mic or hold the boom arm to the computer screens. I started also making holes so I can align all of the pieces together. I'm going to end up using a 1/4 inch bolt and a custom nut. I created these custom angle pieces, so when in the up position, it will have something to rest on. Now I need to position all of these pieces so I can cut them out in a single sheet that would fit in my laser engraver. I ended up making the bars thinner for the laser engraved version just so I could fit everything on 2 sheets of whatever material you want to cut it out of. Now I make and design the wooden knobs that I created for this project. The knobs I created don't look as good as the ones I created in the CAD. My jig kept moving around as I was creating it. I definitely would love to cut out new knobs. Now I move all of these drawings over to Inkscape, where I can change all the lines to red and save it as SVG file to be read by a laser engraver in the future when I decide to make more of these. This would definitely be a cool and quick project for a CNC or laser engraver. And I hope you look forward to the next video where I make this with regular woodworking tools.